Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make adorable Hello Kitty cotton candy. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients and equipment, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth process. Then, I'll guide you through preparing your cotton candy machine and work area. Finally, we'll dive into the fun part, crafting the iconic Hello Kitty shape with simple, easy-to-follow instructions. Get ready to create some sweet, charming treats. To begin, you'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, which forms the base of our cotton candy. For that signature Hello Kitty pink, incorporate 1 teaspoon of pink food coloring. Make sure you have your cotton candy machine, several paper cones, and a clean, spacious work surface ready. Don't forget a black edible marker. It's crucial for adding those charming facial details later on. These simple items are all you need. First, preheat your cotton candy machine for about 5 to 10 minutes to ensure it's ready. Next, carefully add approximately 1/4 cup of your colored sugar into the spinner head. As the fluffy strands emerge, gently collect them onto a paper cone, rotating it to form a nice, round base for Hello Kitty's head. Then, with a little finesse, shape the top into a distinct head and 2 small, rounded ears. It's quite satisfying. Now for the finishing touches. With your black edible marker, carefully draw 2 small, oval eyes onto the cotton candy head. For the nose, place a tiny yellow or orange edible candy right in the center. Next, draw 3 delicate whiskers on each side of Hello Kitty's face using the same marker. For an extra touch of charm, you can optionally attach a small red bow, perhaps made from edible fondant, near one ear. Perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.